Alright, just want to show you real quick what I'm going to be using now. Well, at least I want to try it. I'm going to try 1 gallon of vinegar. I already put 1 cup of salt and a little bit of soap. You can see inside. We're going to mix it. And this is what I'm going to be using this weekend. This is only for weed killing. Make sure you don't spray anything on plants or anything like that. And I will make another video showing the results. Alright, just 1 gallon of vinegar, 1 cup of salt, and a little bit of Dawn soap.